Hey guys, Mike here. Company sent us this four port battery charger for our honest review. So I plugged it up. This is specific for a DeWalt battery, and you can see that when the batteries are charged, the red stays on as they're charging. Let me pull one of these out and see if I can make it do it. But as it charges, the light will flash. When it's fully charged, it'll stay solid green. And then if you start getting orange lights in it, they're warnings. One of them may be an overheat, and then the other one is a bad battery. But it's got a nice carry handle on it, so you can take it from job site to job site. You can hang it on a wall here through these holes if that's what you want to do with it, put screws through it. The cord comes out of this. It's really handy to have, and you can charge all your batteries at one time. You can keep rotating them through. So remember, it's the standard DeWalt battery that slides on, but this is a great battery charger. Get you one of these, you will not be disappointed. Have a great rest of your day.